Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about a pressure switch designed for heavy-duty industrial systems, the WIKA Indfoss PSM-700 series. If your application involves high-pressure lines, hydraulic presses, or industrial compressors, this model can handle it all with strength, accuracy, and reliability. Let's explore its construction, working, and real-world uses in detail. The PSM-700 looks and feels robust from the moment you hold it. It's built with a die-cast aluminum housing, a stainless steel pressure port, and heavy-duty components for high-pressure environments. Inside the box, you'll find the switch, product leaflet, and calibration data. It comes in standard pressure ranges such as 0 to 100 bar, 0 to 160 bar, 0 to 200 bar, and even higher, depending on the variant. This makes it ideal for tough industrial applications where most compact switches cannot survive. Like other models, the PSM-700 also works on the diaphragm or piston principle. But here, the sensing element is reinforced with a stronger spring and piston assembly to handle higher pressures without fatigue. As system pressure increases, the piston actuates a SPDT microswitch, providing an on-off output at the set pressure. The internal mechanism ensures excellent repeatability and long life, even in continuous duty operations. The PSM-700 features a front-mounted adjustment screw and a visible pressure scale for easy setpoint calibration. To adjust, rotate the screw clockwise to increase the cutout pressure and anticlockwise to reduce it. Always use a reference pressure gauge while calibrating to ensure accuracy. Once set, lock the adjustment screw and close the top cover tightly to maintain IP65 protection. This design makes field calibration fast and safe, even in harsh working conditions. Let's look at some standout features. Wide pressure range, up to 200 bar and beyond. Rugged body with stainless steel pressure connection. Long service life and high switching reliability. Compact footprint for control panels and machines. IP65 protection for dusty or oily environments. This switch is designed for performance under pressure, literally. You'll commonly see the PSM-700 used in hydraulic power packs, industrial compressors, press machines, oil and gas skids, and process plants. Its high-pressure capability and robust build make it ideal for environments where standard switches can fail or drift over time. Many OEMs choose the PSM-700 for its consistency, durability, and service-free operation. To summarize, the PSM-700 heavy-duty pressure switch gives you high-pressure handling up to 200 bar, strong metal construction with IP65 protection, reliable operation for hydraulic and industrial systems, easy calibration and long life. If you need a tough and accurate switch for demanding pressure control, the WIKA PSM-700 is your best choice. For genuine products, ready stock, and quick delivery, visit radicaltechmart.com or contact our team today.